second.
0-0.
Okay, we're in game.
Yung substitution upo dito, ha? Yung substitution upo dito sa dulo, ha? Para alam natin yung ano. Substitution. Pag-sub sa dulo.
Gamitin natin. Kung kanino yung position.
Ito, meron dito.
Ayan na ba na position? Position na.
Okay, black team and red team.
Gusto ko na umuwi.
Good.
Good.
Get it on. Oh, again. One more. Red ball, number 29. For 3. 2 points for red team. Number 8, pass to number 10. No good.
Ano tayo?
What happened? 30. Are we good? Are we good?
Good,
We good? Number 8. 29 for 3. No good. He's got it. Number 29 again. That's foul. 10.
Number 10. Sideline.
Uy, time out na. Ay, stop.
Dead. Release.
Stop time.
Time.
Number 10.
Number 10 foul.
Nabidi, foul ba? Foul?
Number 10. One black, one personal foul.
You want me to sing?
Game time.
Wow, game time. Labarento. Pass to Udid for 3. Oh, yes. Black ball. Marshall dribbling the ball. Marshall looking for. Oh, pass to Asuncion. Drive. Miss. Rebound by Labarento. Labarento looking for. Nice D. Pass to Udid. For 3. Oh, miss. Asuncion. Pass to CJ. Sa Takua. For 3. No good. Rebound by Castañeda. 2-0. Favor of red. Castañeda drive. Oh, short. Sandy. Miss. Rebound by Labarento. Pass to Valencia, pass to Udig, Labarento, pass to Castañeda,
Red ball.
News ball. Labarento, drive. Pass to Castañeda.
2
10
points.
Sabang ka, ano?
Score 4-0.
Asuncion. Pass to CJ. CJ drive. Yes.
Point.
2 points. Official score 4-2. Favor on red. Labarento.
10 seconds.
10 second shot clock.
For 3
Sakilao 3 points. 7-2.
Oh,
Foul number
1.
number 1.
2 shots.
First foul.
11 minutes and 58 seconds. Yes.
First basket good.
First basket.
Wala kasi tigil na shot.
Rebound by Sakilao. Piano. Pass to Udid. Labarento. Pass to Udid. Looking for
Nice steal.
Jay. CJ. Drive. No.
Oh, nice try.
Rebound by
Substitution.
Labarento. Foul.
Tanong niyo ba?
Foul number 1. Black.
Substitution, ref. Substitution.
Substitution. In. Out.
Number 9 in. Number 10 out.
Second team pa.
Nine minutes and 30. 7-3. Rebound by CJ. Set to kuha. Foul. Foul number 4, Valencia.
20. Who's foul? 24.
Para hindi na.
First shot, no good. Second shot,
Rebound by Valencia. Pass to Udi. Udi dribbling the ball. Labarento looking for pass to Castañeda. Castañeda for 2.
2
Yes.
points.
Asuncion for 2. Oh,
No
elbow.
good. Nice
Pass
shot.
to intercept by Satukua. Pass to intercept by Labarento.
Black ball.
Last shot. Satukua. Drive. Rebound by Valencia. Sakiano. Oh, traveling violation. Boy. Shoot. Oh.
What? Oh.
Foul. Number 1.
Number 1. 13.
How many foul?
13.
Rebound.
Ilan ba penalty? 5?
3 team fouls. 5.
5-5.
Sub, ref, sub.
Substitution.
Is it a shot? Is it a shot?
First basket, no good.
One point. Udin. Looking for Labarento. Pass to Udin. Udin for three. Oh, no good. Rebound by Castañeda. Oh,
Is it counted? Double, no count.
right.
No count, no count.
Traveling. Asuncion for pass to number 11. Number 11, right? Pass to Pansesa clock. Valencia, rebound by Valencia. Pass to Udin. Looking for pass to Valencia. Sakiano. 10-second shot clock. Castañeda for two. Rebound by
Black ball.
5 minutes and 37 seconds. Official score 9-4. Favor on red.
Traveling. Traveling.
Reps up and dead ball.
Okay. Sakiano. Pass to Valencia for two. Oh, no good. Rebound by number 9. Poy. Pass to Raya Asuncion. Sa Takua po. Oh, yeah. Good, two.
2 points.
Labarento. Castañeda for three. Oh. Satkua. Pass to number 11 for two. Rebound by Labarento. Drive.
2 points to number 8.
Official score 11-6. Last 4 minutes. Rebound by Castañeda.
Sub next.
Udi. Labarento. Pass to Cuyao for three. Yeah.
Over the backboard.
Stop, please. Foul. Any foul? Foul number 17. Time out, red. Time out.
Malikot. Inatutuloy niyo ito. Stephen Curry.
Inaantok ng ating mga manonood. Oo, inaantok na. Siesta. Sino magaling kumanta dyan? May intermission tayo mamaya. Yung magaling kumanta. Sino bang manganganta dito? Tapos pakakantahin. Si Jazz.
Red Bull.
No, hindi. Black.
Bolde. Black ball.
And foul.
Black ball, black ball. Right. Ano pangalan? Asuncion, pass to Harold. Managsala, no? Labarento. Rebound by Asuncion. Managsala.
One more.
Managsala.
10,
Pass to Satakua.
8. Traveling.
Traveling violation. (11-6). Favor on red team. Labarento. Pass to Arabeles. 8 second shot clock.
3
For three.
points.
3 points. Asuncion.
Red ball.
Youth ball. One minute and 50 seconds. 14-6. Favor on red team.
Time out, Black. Time out, Black.
Oh.
Oh,
Ref saw it.
Ref, time out.
time out.
Who's foul?
Dinesh, who's foul?
Who's foul?
Who's foul, Dinesh?
Who's foul?
Who's foul?
Two.
Number 2.
Time out.
Time out. Time out, black team.
Number 2. Who's foul?
Sandy.
Oh, number 13.
No, 2. So the big man with the blonde hair.
Number 13
He's
is
13.
that. Sandy, turn around. Oh, number 2. Okay.
He's number 2. Third team foul.
Oh, third.
14-6.
Ready?
14 foul ang red. 3 foul ang ano.
Seconds, 2 seconds shot.
Foul number 2.
Number 2 foul.
Warning for
1
penalty.
minute second. For the shot clock.
14 shot clock. 14.
40 second shot clock. 10 seconds.
Oh no.
Sandy.
What's going on?
How many fouls go?
Penalty.
Penalty.
Foul number 2.
2 again. Third personal foul.
Tatlo na.
Tatlo. Number 2, third personal foul.
Last 20 seconds.
Penalty, rep, penalty. Rep.
14. 13. 10 seconds.
9, 8.
6. 5.
Palmoni.
3. Stop.
What's going on?
About
Finish. Time finish.
Number 8, foul.
Penalty, pre.
Blocking. Penalty.
What are the team fouls?
Penalty.
Penalty. You gotta show it here.
Because we don't know.
Exactly.
So, 4 warning, 6.
So,
Yeah, penalty. It's been
Penalty.
penalty.
It's foul first before the end of period. They foul first.
Oh, wait.
Block. Block, block.
Whose foul is it? Whose foul? 12? You said 12.
No penalty.
Number 8.
Labarento foul.
Only warning for black. Red is penalty. Black warning.
Black to black.
No, wait.
So it should be shots then.
Yeah.
So it should be 2 shots.
No, it's five fouls na.
Casino.
Penalty.
Yeah,
Five fouls
penalty.
and black, so penalty.
Penalty both teams.
Penalty.
Penalty both teams.
Yung red, kuya Bini, 5 din.
2-6 na yung red. Dapat kanina penalty.
Yeah, 6-5.
Wala na. Kasi running time.
So both penalty na, both penalty.
Wala na. Present ulit.
Wala.
Second period.
Second period. 5 minutes break.